Uh, Good morning, Anthony Mitchell here. I'm Dave on the beach. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. But let me know in the comments what was the last little getaway you took, whether it was local, in-state, out-of-state, out of the country, doesn't matter. Just when was the last time you had the ability to actually pick up and leave and go do something? And like I said, most people don't. They got to plan around their schedules. They got to plan around their jobs. They got to plan around getting permission from someone else so they can actually travel and do what they want to do. That's an issue I have. That's like the timeshare presentation we had yesterday. Because every time you come to the timeshare, they try to sell you a package of the resort. I've started to buy them a couple times, but like I help my mom with hers. I buy points from her, and I'm inheriting hers. So I'm like, why would I buy it when my mom's a VIP membership because of how much I use it and she uses it? I just continue to help her pay for hers, which I'm inheriting, and help her pay for the maintenance fees. It makes way more sense than having two leads for the same thing. But what they don't let you know in the timeshare overview presentation is how much the maintenance is, how hard it is to actually get out of, and how that's why yeah, they have a crap load of members because you can't get out of it. Just like I told the sales lady, because we had a trainee chime in whenever she went to talk to her manager. I told my girlfriend, I'm like, yeah, they do the same presentation every time. This is why I almost took a job as a timeshare sales representative when I was still focusing on selling and making a lot of money because that's how they get their commission, making sales. I'm like, selling is, yeah, whatever, it is very lucrative. You can make a crap load of money, but your time is spent in here doing this all day. This ain't no fun. I'd rather be out and about enjoying vacation, enjoying the resort, and sharing with people a way where they can enjoy life too. Sounds more conducive, more fun, but whatever. I don't know. That's just me. Like I said in a couple of my videos now, if I actually spent more time, I had a coach, my second coaching call yesterday, but there's an issue with the key, so I was trying to get a new key to get back into the room. So he got pissed off. I want to give him my full attention. I tried to reschedule it for later on. As oh, we're put back to back. I'm like, all right, if you're such a high power coaching coach making all this money, how are you booked back to back and you don't have time to squeeze me in later on? That means you're in a sales role trying to sell a high package ticket item and not enjoying your life. Cool. So whatever, I ended up getting canceled because I knew what the plan was. The plan was to talk about coaching strategies and go over the first steps, which I went over, and I really didn't get no results. I know why. Because the people I sent out the message to and invite to were people I really don't know. I don't have a relationship with. Because most people on my Facebook, like I sent the message to like four people I knew and they didn't even reply back. But just like I told them, I'm like, dude, most people in this world, they're skeptical. They don't want better. They're used to getting pissed. They're used to people trying to get them to sell to them. I'm like, and that's what y'all are trying to do. That's how y'all approach it. You approach direct sales, network marketing like direct sales. That's why I choose the system, the Own Your Life system, because I'd rather enjoy life and just share something. I mean, whatever, it might take me a longer to accumulate or build up my team, my organization, doing it my way, but I'm patient and I don't rely on network marketing to fund my lifestyle. I have I got multiple different sources of income. I can actually earn money 8 different ways, plus the hundreds of different passive income streams I have coming in from my investments, plus the residual I got coming in from the online one, the shopping club, the home-based network. Like I said, like there's umpteen different ways you can actively make money in the world. Like I'm on vacation right now. I could have made a couple, probably like $50 last night just making some deliveries right across the street. But I'm here with my family. That's more important. So figure out what priorities you have. If you want to make a crap load of money and get rich, hey, go for it. Make your life all about selling, earning that commission, or trading your time for money. You'll get there. Stay focused and be persistent. You will get there. If you're more into enjoying life and sharing something to help other people enjoy life, hey, Let me know. I can get you. I can introduce you to a 3-step system that helps you own your life, which is having the time and money to do what you want when you want, without having to go out and sell the world your products or services. That's like I told Melissa about my girlfriend about the time she rented. I'm like, this is why I got out of direct sales. You're trying to sell somebody something they don't want and they don't need. Just like the lady with the time shop. I'm like, I don't need it. I'm inheriting a VIP membership. Why the hell would I buy another one that's starting from the bottom to work my way up? So I can spend $99 to purchase this package, plus the almost $5 grand maintenance fees a month that they don't tell you about. All right, dude, we've owned this timeshare package since I was like a toddler. I'm like, I know all about the ins and outs of it. I know about using it. I know about the transferring. They said I buy my rental cars through the membership. I buy them for my mom. I have access to her account, so why would I get my own account? So figure out what works for you, what works best for you, and multiply and duplicate yourself. Like I said, I choose to enjoy life and share. Take my family out to nice little vacations like down the beach, Orlando, Tennessee, Vegas, where we're going to go. And then the next trip we're going to make, so I went this timeshare, got 3 day, 2 night, we're going to go to New Orleans. That's it, but take advantage of all the incentives that you can without being lured or tempted into doing something that's not smart for you. Like I said, if I actually wanted to go make a crap load of money with my network marketing, I could go out there and just sell the products and make a bunch of money. But if I want to create a fortune and create time for you, I need to duplicate myself and help other people enjoy life and share something they're personally benefiting from. And that way, everyone wins. I win by building a large team of like-minded people who want more out of life without having to go around the world trying to sell them a bunch of crap they don't need or want. And they win because they create extra income. Plus, we both win because depending on which I'm sourced on one of the shopping club or the financial production plan, we're getting our physical and financial health in shape. That's why I use them both, because take care of your physical health, take care of your financial health, and you're golden, y'all. I gotta finish my coffee. Then I think I'm taking the family over to Cross Street IHOP for some breakfast. So y'all have a great day. Then the girlfriend has to head back to Fort Myers that she works tomorrow, and I'm gonna be stuck with the kids. Fun times. Y'all be great.